Welcome to English Speaking Practice. On this channel, we learn English through real conversations, the kind of English you actually need. Today's story, on public transport. You will meet Jacob and Daisy. They are exploring a new city together. In this video, you will learn words for public transport. You will learn how to buy a ticket. And you will learn one very useful question. A question you can use in any city in the world. Today's question. What question does Daisy teach Jacob to ask when he doesn't know which bus to take? Listen carefully. The answer is in the story. Write it in the comments. Ready? Let's go.
Daisy, there are so many buses. How do I know which one to take?
Good question. First, you need to find a bus stop.
Bus stop. This is a bus stop, right? Here, where we are standing.
Yes, a bus stop is the place where you wait for the bus. And look, every bus stop has a sign. It shows the bus numbers and the routes.
Route. That means the path the bus takes.
Exactly. Each bus follows a different route. It goes to different places.
Okay, so I need to find the right route and the right bus number.
Yes, and there's an easy way to find out. I'll teach you in a moment.
Now what? Do I pay here?
Yes, you buy your ticket on the bus. You can get a single ticket or a return ticket.
What is the difference?
A single ticket is for one journey. You go, but you don't come back on the same ticket. A return ticket is for going and coming back. It is cheaper than buying two singles.
Oh, so if I'm going and coming back, I buy a return.
Exactly. Well done.
Single, return. I will remember. Daisy, I need to get to the museum. There are 3 buses here. I don't know which one to take.
Okay, this is a very useful situation, Jacob. This is exactly what we are going to practice.
Tell me, I'm ready.
When you don't know which bus to take, you can ask someone. You say, which bus goes to, and then you say the name of the place. Try it, Jacob. Say it to me.
Which bus goes to the museum?
Perfect. Now, why don't you ask that man over there, the one waiting for the bus?
By myself. Okay, yes, I can do this. Excuse me, which bus goes to the museum?
The museum? That's bus 14. It stops right outside.
Bus 14. Thank you very much. Bus 14. He told me everything.
You did it completely by yourself. I'm proud of you.
That phrase is so useful. Which bus goes to? I can ask anyone.
Yes, and you can use it for trains too. Which line goes to? Same idea.
Oh, so I can say, which line goes to the airport?
Exactly. You understand it perfectly.
Next stop, Central Station. Passengers, please get off here for all train services.
Daisy, it said get off. Are we getting off?
No, not here. We don't need Central Station.
But it said get off.
It said passengers who need the train should get off. Not everyone, only the people going to the train.
Oh, so get off means leave the bus.
Yes, get off means to leave the bus or train at your stop, and get on means to go inside the bus or train.
Get on, get off, like a switch.
Yes, exactly like a switch. Get on, you're on the bus. Get off, you leave.
English is funny sometimes.
It is, but you are learning fast.
Wait, what is our stop? How do I know when to get off?
You listen for the announcement. It always says the next stop, or you watch the screen up there. It shows next stop.
Next stop. I see it. It says Museum Road. That is us.
Yes, get ready, Jacob. We get off here.
I knew it. I read the screen. Daisy, I have a question. What is a timetable? I keep seeing this word.
A timetable is a list. It shows when the buses or trains arrive and leave, so you can plan your journey.
Oh, so if I want to know when the next bus comes, I look at the timetable.
Exactly. And in the UK, buses and trains usually follow a timetable, so you can plan when to leave.
Good. In some countries, buses do not follow a schedule.
Yes, in the UK, most buses and trains are on time, but not always.
Okay, let me try to remember all the words from today.
Go on then, let's hear it.
Bus stop, where I wait for the bus. Single ticket, one journey. Return ticket, go and come back. Timetable, the list of times. Get off, leave the bus. Get on, go inside. Next stop, the stop coming up. Line, the route of the bus or train. And my favorite question, which bus goes to?
Jacob, that was incredible. Every word perfect.
I am getting better.
You are. You are not just learning English now, you're using it.
Can we take the bus back? I want to practice again.
Of course, you can even ask which bus goes back.
Which bus goes to the hotel?
Perfect. Let's go.
And that's it for today. Your speaking challenge. Go to the comments right now. Write one sentence using today's key phrase. Which bus goes to blank? Fill in a real place. Your school, your home, your favorite restaurant. Every sentence you write makes your English stronger. Every week on English Speaking Practice, we go to a new place. We meet new people. We learn new words. We practice real English for real life. If this video helped you, press the like button. It really helps. And if you want a new story every week, hit subscribe. Don't miss the next one. See you in the next video. Keep practicing, keep going. You're doing great. Bye for now.